So, hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing great. Today we are going to debate on this topic. The topic is time versus money, and he is in the favor of money, and I am in the favor of time. What is the benefit to use our life? And as you are seeing, we are seeing something, and we sometimes we think that time is important, sometimes we think that money is important. So that's why we are here, and we are going to debate on this topic and he is happy. And if I talk about myself, so my name is Nurdin and I am from Nirojpur. As you know, I made many vlog on this channel. You can search and you can watch all of them. So, and if I talk about my hobbies are studying and to improve my English and something else. These are my hobbies. And if I talk about my goal, I want to be an defense person, means NDA person. This is my goal, and that's all about me. And now I'm going to give this mic. uh, he's my friend, and today he came with me. That's why, because we wanted to debate, and that's why we are here and we are going to debate.
Okay, guys, okay, we are going to debate time versus money.
First tell them something about yourself.
Okay, guys, he is my friend Nurdin, and I have reached his home. Sorry, his farm. Uh, okay, now
Tell them something about
yes,
your name.
here I am going to tell you something about myself. My name is Happy, and I am from Brodh. I have passed 12th class so far. Nowadays, I am learning spoken English and pursuing my graduation. If I talk about my hobby is to study and to uh, traveling, travel. Uh, if I talk about my family, so there are 6 members in my family. I want to be a businessman. Now we want to start.
Okay.
Okay. Your favor is time.
Yes.
Okay. Why time is important in our life?
Okay, suppose as you are living with your family, but you don't have time and you are earning money. Suppose you have a good job and you are working in your field, but you don't have time to leave your family. What is the benefit to live alone? And suppose you are a businessman. Suppose you are become a businessman and you are working on your business, but you don't have time to leave your family. What is the benefit? Nothing. And you would feel bad sometimes because you are not living with your family. And if I talk about time, as you are studying nowadays, you are preparing for your exam, which I can't mention and I could not mention because I don't like these things. So okay. And as you are studying and you are preparing for your exam and you are learning spoken English, but suppose you have lots of money and you are learning spoken English, because in this era English is important everywhere. We all know about these things. So if you don't have time and you are learning spoken English, what is the benefit? And how can you learn English if you don't have time but you have money? Just tell me.
Okay. If you have time, if you have a lot of time, but if you don't have money, how can you do any work like study and other things? How can you do the, that work?
Let me tell you one thing. If I have money but I don't have time, so what is the benefit to have money? And suppose you paid many money, you paid much money in your coaching center and somewhere else, but you don't go there. So what is the benefit to use money? And if you have lots of money, how can you use your time?
Let me tell you about it. Why are you going to coaching? Because you are spending money.
Let me tell you.
Yes.
I am going there to improve my English and to learn English. But if I don't have time, so how it is possible? How can I become fluent in English and how can I learn English? And if I have lots of money, as I mentioned earlier, but I don't have time, so how can I become fluent in English? And let me tell you one thing. If you want to have a good body and you want to join a gym, but you don't have time. You have lots of money. You can give your money to them who is gym owner. You can give them, then you can join. But if you don't have time, how can you gain a good body?
Okay, okay. You are saying how can we gain good body?
Yes.
Okay, without time.
Yes.
Without time. Okay, let me tell you about it. If you want to uh, do perform uh, any body perform, you can do at your home easily. Why do you want to join gym? Because you are there wasting your time. You can do everything at your home. You can run and you can perform workout like a yoga. Why do you want to join gym?
But if I don't have time, and how can I gym and how can I work out at my home? And if I have lots of money, as you mentioned earlier, so I have money and I can join gym. But as you mentioned, if I can work out at my home, but I don't have time. So how can I work out at my home? And I don't live at my home because I am earning money. That's why. And something else.
Okay, bro. Okay, let me tell you about it. If you don't want to do perform workout, your body effect weakness. Like if you want to earn money, you will have to spend your time
Yes,
there.
this is my point.
Yes, I am talking about my point money.
Okay.
Okay, if you don't have money, how can you purchase anything like food? Food is our important my our life.
This is good point, but if you don't have time to eat food, what is the benefit? And suppose you are earning lots of money and you have lots of money, but you don't have time to eat food on time. I am saying, suppose your time is you have to eat food at 7 o'clock. I'm talking about in morning time and also evening time, but you don't eat it at this time. So what is the benefit? Because time is important there. And if I talk about, suppose you are in the court and there is happening something against you, and if someone is reached there and who could not reach on time, and judge recall everything against you, what would be the benefit to there? And their time is most important. And if I talk about money, money is not important there.
Okay, you are talking about uh, judge. Judge also earn money. How?
Yeah, he is
He is behind his earn money, brother. Okay,
but this is not point.
okay. You can utilize your time in a day.
How can?
You
Yes, how can?
tell me.
How can we utilize our time? Tell me these things.
If if you go anywhere, you would not have any particular time. You would not reach on their time.
You are favoring the money.
I am talking about you. मतलब तुम वहाँ समय पर नहीं जाओगे.
You will not reach there on time.
Yes, you will not reach your time. You are not utilizing your time
Okay, okay.
because you are spending your money.
Okay. You want to say if I don't have money, so I will not reach there on time in court and somewhere else. You want to say, I think, these things. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me tell you one thing. But if we don't have lots of money and we don't have that much money, so we can help with someone else, like our relatives. They can give us money and their vehicle also. They can help, because this situation every person can help, like our relatives, our parents, and our brothers. They can help. And if they will not help us, so government train and government buses, they will help us.
Let me tell you, brother, in this situation, does not help every person. Not relate only for your relatives. Relative can your help easily, but not other person. If you want to, Suppose if you want to take loan.
Okay.
If you want to take loan, you will you are gaining money there, and you are spending there. You are spending your time, not.
Let me tell you one thing. Okay, as you mentioned earlier, if you want to have a loan, and how can you achieve these things? Firstly, you have to go there. Then you have to fill some forms, which they will provide you. Then you will have to fulfill them. Then you will have to provide who will give you money. Then after that they will give you money. So what is important here? You will give your time, and he will also give you his time. Then you will have money, and government would provide you this type of things free of cost. But you must have time. If you don't have time, you can't achieve money. And if you don't have time, suppose you are at your home and you are saying, I want to have lots of money, and I want to go to bank, and then I want to take money from bank with the help of loan. So how can they give you money? They will show you. If you can't come here, so how can we give you money? They will not give you money. They will take you some good things. Then after that they will provide you, like they will show you some cattle. You have cattle or not? How will you pay us? This type of thing you will have to show them, like your house documents you will have to see. If you have a big vehicle, four-wheeler vehicle, you will have to show them it documents. Then after that they will provide you these things.
And how do you go there? Tell me about it. If you don't have time, how can you go there?
You are favor of in the
Yes,
time. Sorry,
money.
money.
Yes, I am a favor of money. But if you want to go to bank is your home, not long. Yes, far from your home. How can you go there? Suppose you live in a village and bank is in a city. How can you go there? You need to money.
Okay,
There.
let me tell you one thing here. If you want to have lots of money and you want to take loan from the bank, and bank is very far from to you, so you can borrow money with your friend and with your someone else. You can take, yes, you can take 100 rupees from them. Then you can take your loan. Then after that you will give them. Then
Let me tell you, you are taking money, your friend money. Why are you taking money? I want to say, how can you go without money if you don't have money? You don't go there. You can't go there if you don't have money.
okay.
And suppose your brother, your friend does not have money. Who? Who take it?
Okay, but as you mentioned earlier, if someone has not a brother, so how can, sorry, someone brother has not money, so how can he go there without money? But they have lots of friend. They don't have any a particular friend, and they have lots of friend, and they have neighborhood also, and their parents also. They can borrow, and if they don't have money, you can take someone else, like your neighborhood, and you can take other way. And but if you don't have time, and bank people, they will not provide you money. If you will say them, I don't have money and I need money, I want to take borrow money from the bank, how they can provide you? They will show you, if you can't come here, we will not provide you money. And they will show you very bad thinkly, and they will not be with you very good think way.
Yes. I want to ask to you. Mm, okay, if you need a study material, how can you buy it? You have to lot of money for buying these things. If you don't have money, you can't buy it. And money also important compared to time. You can manage your time from money. You can collect your time, not.
The help of money.
Brother, you cannot collect your time, but you can collect money. You can stop time, not. But we can stop earning money. I am right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let me tell you one thing. As you mentioned earlier, you can collect time, but you can't collect and you can't stop time.
Time, yes.
So if you have lots of money, what is the benefit to have lots of
Yes.
yes.
Let me tell you about it. If I have too much money, I can help every person and I can purchase anything like my favorite things, and I can help poor peoples in our area. Many types of poor peoples.
Let me tell you.
I would give them money because I am helping them. Money is important compared to time.
Okay. Let me tell you one thing. If you have lots of money and you want to help the poor and someone else like your neighborhood and your friends and your relatives who has not money, if you want to help them, but if you don't have time, so how can you help them? Suppose you have 1 lakh rupees here and someone is who is sitting outside, means outside country and outside your village, but you don't have time to go there, so how can you help them?
Because I have lot of money, I can how to say बोला ना?
Call.
I can call them that they can come at my home, and I would give money them.
Okay,
It's the easy thing.
Not this is not easy. This is not easy thing. As you mentioned earlier, we can call him or them, then we will give money to them. So how it is possible? And if you want to help the poor, and how will you recognize his number and who is poor? It doesn't matter he has mobile or not. How it is possible if he doesn't have mobile? So how can you help him or them?
Let me tell you about it. You were saying me you have lot of money.
Yes.
If I have too much money, I would have my security. I can call my security, and my security call them.
Okay, they will provide.
They will provide money, and I can save my time, and I can give them money because.
And why will you save time? As you mentioned earlier, recently you mentioned, I will save my time. If you have lots of money, so why will you save time? This is my point.
Brother, I was talking about time and money, both of.
Yes.
I can save time and money, both of, from these things. If I want to give any things to poor peoples because they can't buy nothing.
Let me tell you one thing.
Yes.
As you mentioned, I can share my money with the help of my bodyguard and with the help of my who is my near, means who I hired someone else. So I can uh, distribute my money with the help of them. So, but what would be the benefit? Suppose you distribute your money to poor people and they will not recognize you. Then after your death, no one will know you. No one will say he gave me money and he helped us lots of. No one will recognize you. And if you have lots of time but you don't have money, you can help them. Like if someone is doing something in their farm and someone is making his house, you can help them, you can work there and they will recognize you and they will remember you very long time. So this is the good thing. Yes, I'm seeing there.
Okay. Brother, I have one point about it. You are saying money is not important. Okay.
Yes.
If you don't have money, how can you survive in the world? How can you utilize world, and how can you go anywhere? If you have money, you can go anywhere and search things and buy anything and eat anything. But if you have time, how can you purchase this type of things? Tell me.
Let me tell you one thing.
Yes.
As you mentioned earlier, if a person, and I also suppose,
Yes, yes.
and I want to go somewhere, I want to travel and I want to explore my India country and other country also,
How?
if I want. So
How?
how can I survive? He mentioned. So now let me tell you one thing. If you don't have time, so how can you survive this era if you don't have time? Suppose you want to explore your in
Yes.
Delhi, suppose, but you don't have time. So how can you survive in Delhi? And how will you recognize all people? What kind of people were there? Suppose you went in Delhi and you came your village and someone is asking to you what kind of people were there. If you did not have that much time, how will you tell him or them that kind of people were there, this type of thing? How will you tell them?
Let me tell you about one thing. Uh, if you have too much time and if you don't have money, how can you go there or how can you spend your time there if you don't have money? And how can you say about them? If you have money, you can purchase everything from yourself.